Though we may expect qualified teachers to correct the exam papers, it does not happen all the time, and moreover, sometimes the staff correcting the paper might not have enough time to look into the paper and read line by line. So, it depends on us to stimulate them to award more marks even without reading the paper. Not only presentation, but preparation is also very important for this concept. 1. When you start studying, remember that your paper is not going to get values line by line. Hence, read the concept first and understand it better. You can do this faster than mugging up the entire question line by line. 2. Understand all the concepts and answers in Tamil and then translate it to English in the paper. This will give you better understanding and happiness in reading. 3. Important points are laws, rules which may constitute 3-4 lines out of a 2-page answer. Learn them thoroughly. 4. When preparing equations, be sure to note the units and the explanation for the quantities used. 5. Draw and practice the engineering diagrams on a paper rather than air. 6. Make sure you understand the question well before reading and the possibility of twisting the words for the same question and answer. 7. Study technical terms technically. 8. Group discussions with friends are the best to understand concepts. 9. Guess the number of questions that can be asked from a unit before starting the preparation. This will also help you to guess out of portion questions which when attended will fetch you maximum marks. 10. Do quality studying than quantity studying. Now you are prepared well. Remember, it does not really matter how much you have studied. What matters is how you present your paper. How do you present the paper well? Tips for presenting an exam paper. 1. Make sure you write the contents in points rather than paragraphs. 2. Draw as much as diagrams as possible. Remember, drawings can give your paper a very good impression rather than text. 3. Use black and blue colors only. Black to highlight important points and blue to write contents. 4. Use soft pens. Pens should not blot its ink on the paper, which will be highly irritating. 5. Remember to write appropriate subheadings. 6. Necessarily, draw a line after every question. 7. Write legibly even if your handwriting is not good. Take enough space between words. 8. Write concepts clearly with black pen. If you are not sure of something, better don't highlight it. 9. Don't create any false expression in the paper. 10. Use mathematical concepts to explain equations clearly. Also explain the quantities with units.